Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Citroen DS3. It's a 2017 model. So from any screen, we're on nav at the moment, but if you go down to the buttons here, click menu, and then we go to telephone, then options at the bottom right hand corner, then you've got Bluetooth connection, telephone options, Bluetooth connection, and it's just showing my phone there, and you can see there you've got search, connect or delete. We want delete, so click delete this device. Yes, that's it gone.